Hello, my name is Thomas Pollum from Navori. I'm the Managing Director, and I would like to showcase today one of our innovations for the ISE 2020. Today we present here the computer vision. It's an in-depth analytic application of audience and a content trigger system based on visual data. So there's no specific software needed to install or no specific hardware needed to install. It can measure customers how long they are in the shop, how long they are looking at a display. So it's possible for the marketing departments then to measure the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns, and these will be also combined with the delivery of informative dashboards which can be analyzed by the marketing departments. If you need further information, please visit us on www.navori.com. Thanks a lot.